In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot to draft, coach, summarize, and reply an email. By the end, you'll know how to quickly generate clear messages, refine your tone, catch up on long threads, and reply with confidence. Let's start with drafting. Open a new email, press the slash key, and choose Draft with Copilot. In the prompt, describe exactly what you want to write, like draft a proposal about Q4 results. The more context you give, the better the first draft will be. Include who the audience is, the purpose of the message, any key points or data you need covered, and the outcome you want, such as asking for approval or scheduling a meeting. Once you see the draft, use the tone settings to tailor it. Switch between formal, casual, or a friendly professional style, and add specific instructions like keep it concise, use bullet-style paragraphs, or add a clear call to action. You can regenerate or refine the draft until it matches your voice, then personalize it with details only you would know. Next is email coaching. Write your message as you normally would, click the Copilot icon, and select Coaching by Copilot. You'll get suggestions on tone, clarity, and sentiment, so you can make sure you sound confident, respectful, and easy to understand. If the feedback says it's too wordy, try trimming redundant phrases. If the tone feels too formal or too casual for your audience, adjust with a quick rewrite. Treat coaching like a safety net. Accept the suggestions that help, ignore what doesn't, and always keep your intent front and center. For long conversations, use Copilot to summarize and find action items. In a lengthy thread, click the Copilot icon to get a concise summary that highlights the latest decisions and open questions. You can also ask it to identify action items so you know who owes what and by when. This is especially useful when you're catching up after a busy day. Verify the key points, then paste the summary at the top of your reply or convert action items into tasks. Finally, replying with Copilot is fast and flexible. Open the thread and ask Copilot to draft a response based on the conversation, or select a section of text and request a rewrite. Specify the tone, call out deadlines or next steps, and ask it to be brief or more thorough as needed. Before sending, proofread, confirm recipients and attachments, and make sure the message reflects your intent. That's it. Draft, coach, summarize, and reply with Copilot to save time and send better emails.